Afternoon, I would like to thank you for responding to my Facebook post about this position or ads you may have seen online. We are an advertising company. Some of our partners include LifeLock, Experian, Hulu Plus, and so forth and so on. These are the companies that pay our work at home agents. Our agents work at home and choose their own hours and earn daily pay through PayPal. And by the way, it is legit. We are looking for recruiters. Our recruiters use a computer and phone to build their income. They place ads online and receive inbound calls and enroll new members into our network. What you will be doing as a recruiter, you will assist callers through completing an online qualifying application, such as the one that you did, and completing a trial offer. And the offer that we're focused on is really LifeLock. If you complete this offer right here, it qualifies you to earn $30 payouts. So for every caller that call you and they qualify for this position, you can receive a $30, commission. And it's that simple, guys. Answer your phone, read the 5-minute script, qualify the caller. They do this offer right here, you make $30, you know, and you can choose to reimburse them or not. I choose to reimburse you. So if you spent like it's $8.99, so if you spent $9 to do this offer, I'm going to reimburse you your money back in maybe 24 hours. You're going to get that same $9 back. So basically, you started with this company for free. So if this seems like something that you're interested in and something that you're willing to do, please give me a thumbs up on Facebook so I can get you started today. And I would like to thank you for your time, and you have a blessed day. Thank you.